Good morning. Hi, this is Sherry, and I am bearing all this morning. No product on my face, except I've used my cleanser. I've used my micellar water with my brush to cleanse and get my pores extremely clean before I do my morning routine. So anyway, this is what I'm going to teach this morning is how to do your morning routine very quickly. And because taking care of that skin and keeping your pores clean is very vital to having great skin. So if you notice on my face, I have a couple of little spots. Those spots are spots that I have had taken off that looked a little suspicious. And it's starting to really go away now using the product that the boosters and the products that have come out over the last year. So I just had it done a couple of months ago. So they are fading out and my skin is looking better and better. Okay, so what we're going to do, like I said, I have cleansed with my brush to make sure I get ultimate results with my pores. And now the next thing that I am going to do is we have boosters out. And so you use these boosters by alphabet order. So I am going to hydrate first. That's the first thing that's going to go to my face is hydrate. And so I'm going to go ahead and do that. You know, hydrating and water are some of the two best things that you can use for your skin. I drink a lot of water and I hydrate a lot. Hydration is different than moisturize. Hydration is like giving your face a big, big drink of water. So I've hydrated. Now, you don't have to let all this dry, but everything you do to your face, do to your hands because you want your hands to always look, you might as well not waste the product and you want your hands to always look pretty. The next step I'm going to use is our line reducer booster. I absolutely love this product. Now I'm doing it a little slower than you do it when you're grabbing your stuff and going. But anyway, this helps with the lines on my face, especially through here and here. You know, where we get the little 11 right here and the lines around your chin is the first place that usually starts breaking down in this area. And so for women over 50, you really need to use a line reducer, even if you don't use the other boosters, so, and a hydrator. So I've hydrated, I have boosted, used my booster line reducer. So now my face is ready for a massage, a really quick 60-second massage. And you know, I really didn't think that much about it, and I would do it here and I would do it there, but I've been doing it faithfully now for about a month. And I can feel that my face is so much firmer and tighter. So I'm going to take this head off of our massager, our cleansing head, our sonic brush. I'm going to take this head off, and I'm going to put this head on. And this is our massaging head. Then I'm going to take our naturally nourishing oil, because I do have normal to dry skin. I'm only going to use a drop or so. In the mornings, at night, I use a couple of more drops, but I only use enough to get so that the massager works into the skin area for maximum results. So I'll put it on now, and then I'm going to start massaging my face. So here we go. So you go work upward. Everything, the muscles in your face grow down. So you want to always work upward on your face to keep your neck firm and tight. On the side right here, you go all the way to the hairline. You work that so that you don't have all this here. And you work your jawline. This keeps this from sagging. I saw a picture of me 6 years ago. And then I saw a picture of me now. And this area does not sag like it used to. Just because we're over 50 or even a little under 50 or whatever, massaging your face is always going to keep your face firm and tight. And you may think, well, I've got one of those at home from another brand. This one is the ultimate. Okay, it cuts off every 60 seconds. You can just do a 60-second facial massage. I do a little bit more if I have time. If I'm in a hurry, I just do it really fast, massaging my oil in. And I was demonstrating it. And then up here, you go upward, and then you go over. Up and over. And that is a little bit over 60-minute facial massage. Okay, it feels wonderful. Now my face is ready for our serum. And this is our serum. It has our lifting serum that firm. This is the most important product you can get. It lifts, tightens, and keeps everything firm and in place. And the oil and massager, because this is the most expensive product on our shelf as far as a single item, the oil and massaging the face ahead of time helps this to work better and not use as much too. So there you have it. I have my face almost done and ready for my morning quick glamour. Okay, now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use our eye cream. And in the mornings, I don't get it very close to my eyes because I have very sensitive eyes, but I want to put it on those crow's feet and under my brow a little bit because I'm using eye primers and stuff. So anyway, this little titanium tip covers 3 things. Just like when a boxer gets hit, it helps for puffiness. That's what they use, a little tip that massage the eye and the puffiness goes away. So then for wrinkles, fine lines and wrinkles, and also for dark circles. So this is my morning routine for my eyes. And then I go back with our Repair Day Cream. And so you press down and it has one application. Bam. Pops up. That's all you need for your face and neck. Because everything you do for your face, you need to do on your neck. Because you don't want a really young looking face and all these wrinkles right here. So it's very important. So now I'm using our day cream, moisturizer, and everything built into one. I like it because it's airtight. You can press down, an application pops up, and you're ready to go, and you're not squeezing a tube or anything. So anyway, remember what you do for your neck, you need to do for your chest. So, in your décolleté area. This is my morning routine. I will be back to tell you more in a little while when I do some glamour. Stay tuned because I'm coming back. And what do you think? Skin's in condition and ready to go.